Hi, this is Ajay Kumar Dubey. I am CEO of Peas in Pot Preschool Chain and KSD International School, Noida, Delhi NCR. We are one of emerging preschool chain from Delhi NCR. We are present in India and Nepal, both the countries. As we are participating in franchise and business opportunity show organized by Franchise Apply on 19th and 20th June 2021. So here I am representing our brand Peas in Pot and going to share some major USPs of our brand. So first major USP is that we are offering franchise for lifetime without taking any type of renewable charges. On the same times, we are offering franchises which will be completely on no royalty basis, where we will not charge any type of additional royalty sharings from the fee collections done by the franchise team. As the concept, we are offering curriculum based on the playway methodologies along with the Maria Montessori concepts. It's called Montessori concepts. And along with that, we are offering n number of other channel programs which are part of our concepts. Like as we are developing the gymnasium arena, we are setting up storytelling arena, we are setting up the creative arena, we are setting up play and recreation arena, we are setting up one small library where we are offering 3D books in our library segments. On the same times, we have come up with n number of digital learning programs, and due to this pandemic, we have added n number of central digital learning programs also. So we are offering online classes to all the centers of India and Nepal both from our Noida office. On the same time, so we are offering smart books and smart chart along with the interactive pens, which are very useful for the child for developing their phonics part and on the same time developing their pronunciations. And on the same times, we have come up with mobile app and ERP. Mobile app is helping us for regular communications between teacher and school, between teacher and parents. On the same time, ERP solution is for complete digital school management software, where we are developing, where we are just helping to our school partners for paperless workings. On the same times, they can manage each and everything in their system. On the same time, we come up with QR codes in our books, which is very helpful to the parents. They can scan the QR barcode, and on the same time they can convert the content of that particular book into their mobile phone in digital format, which is helpful, and they can avoid watching YouTube and other videos. Other major USPs of brand is exactly we are going to provide you one-stop solutions related to the site finalizations, interior of your centers. Interiors includes the painting, carpenting works, safety equipment installations, and a number of other things. On the same time, staff recruitment and training solutions is again going to be provided by the company from the head office. And our training team will visit your campus. They will offer a on-site trainings also, and followed by the online training also. At last, I'm coming on the requirements. So you need few basic requirements. First thing, there must be a desired investment suggested by the company. On the same time, there must be a site can be rental one also, and site can be your owned also at any suitable location in your city or the town. So we required minimum 1200 to 3000 square feet area as a site, and we required approximately 3 to 10 lakh rupees based on the your budget. So 3 to 10 lakh rupees as the investment depend on your location and the budget. On the same time, once it comes to the development plans, how just we can associate and all, so there is 2 to 3 options. You can participate in this virtual franchise and business show 2021 on 19th and 20th June, organized by Franchise Apply, or you can approach us directly on our toll-free number, that's 1800-102-5474, or you can visit our website www.pipschools.com. Thank you so much.